Do you also get frustrated while drawing the face like the hell? Don't worry, I'll help you to draw it perfectly. Have you ever wondered how you could draw a perfect face without much efforts? Well, I'll teach you how I draw faces without using different techniques, because in this video, the only technique you need to learn and understand. These are the drawings I made by using the same method or same technique. It is easy to use, and the main thing is you'll draw better. And day by day, you'll level up, and then you can draw freehand style. Just observe the reference and start copying it. And actually, I want you guys to really watch me how I draw faces and what method I use to draw faces. This video will. So understanding. Now let's move to the art supplies I used. The paper and the pencil. Well, use graphite pencils, whichever you want to. And also add eraser will help you to erase the outlines and few mistakes. And the method is simple, just draw a circle. Yes, you heard it right. Just draw a circle, then follow my steps. I'll draw an outline for the face shape, then later I'll show how. We'll add details for the chin, nose, mouth, and eyes. The lower part of the circle will be the nose area, and the upper part, there would be the hairline of the character. Most people probably mistake while making the face shape. Do not make jaw too long or shorter, and anime characters' faces are not too wide. Remember this, I have observed this mistake. They make their face wider and then complain like why they can't make a good face. If you draw a circle and then you add outline near the circle, your face will be better. And then you can just add details. Well, I have a habit to draw neck. Well, of course it makes your face looks better. I'm drawing this rough sketch to actually show you what method I used. And then further, I'll make 2 to 3 samples and actual detail drawings. Keep watching till the end. Well, in this part, the only focus on male characters, but in the rough sketch, I have showed you the female face too. I'll bring detailed video, and I'm planning to teach how to draw hands, body poses. But the face is important right now, so we'll focus on the face. Yeah, like how I draw eyes, noses, lips.
Where you gonna run when all you've got is this? There ain't no sympathy for the broken man, no. You better find your
While drawing Tuda, I started from drawing chin, mouth, nose, and then the eyes and the last part of the hairline. First, I'll show you the method I use to draw faces. And this method works for portrait too. And I have recorded myself drawing the faces with the same method, but don't worry, it would be easy to understand. And I hope you'll understand clearly what I mean to teach you. Well, and this, I'm showing you the side profile, not the actual side profile, but the 60-40.
Look at you. You're running in circles, which way will you turn? Look at you. You're stuck in the fire, you'll just have to burn. for the broken man. No.
Well, I'm using the pen because pencil was not a good idea to show you guys demo. And I don't know why I love drawing with pen, but you guys should use pencil, okay? Remember to draw with pencil.
Only space for you in the trouble land. Learn from me, learn from me, learn from me, learn from me. Make it up, gotta make it up, make it up.
If you guys know this character, comment below.
What happened to the things that I taught ya? What happened to the dreams that I brought ya? What happened to the wings that were on ya? How could you let them fly on without ya? You've lost all hope and you've lost your way. Try to make sense of things you could not change. Can't keep looking for someone.
I'm drawing the character from Demon Slayer. Yeah, the most powerful character in this anime. I love his design, that's why I chooses to draw him. And I'll be perfect example too to show you how faces are drawn with less efforts.
Looking for the answers, they don't exist. Now where you gonna run when all you've got is this? There ain't no sympathy for the broken man, no. You better find your way. You better find your way. There are no tears to shed to the open hand. Only space for you in the trouble land. Learn from me, learn from me, learn from me, learn from me. Make it up, gotta.
So the video ends here. Enjoy seeing the results. Bye.